Hi, eels. Today's poem is just pure fun. They're called alphabet sequential poems. I did some of these with the older kids this last year, so they'll remember them. What sequential means is one thing after the others, or in order. So what we're going to do is take letters from the alphabet. You can choose as many or as few as you want. I'm going to start with 5 letters in order. A, B, C, D, E. I didn't skip any. And I'm going to come up with a phrase, a fun phrase. These can be just as silly as you want. So I'm going to start with Adeline brought chocolate donuts to everybody. Now that too was just a little bit of a cheat, but I wanted it to make sense. So once in a while you can stick in another little word if you need to. Adeline brought chocolate donuts to everybody. Okay, the next sequence that I have here is F, G, H, I. So I'm going to write furry guys holding iguanas. Furry guys holding iguanas. That's a short one, only 4 letters. All right, the next one's a little longer. I'm going to write Jays keeps little mice north of Phoenix. So there's 3 silly little sequential poems. All right, I've got the rest of the letters of the alphabet to use up. So I thought I'd do it in one big go here. So, Queen, Rhonda, sang tunes under verandas. Verandas are kind of a porch or a balcony. Oh, I forgot the W. Here, let's change it. TUVWXYZ. Can't leave any letters out. I left out the W, so we have to fix that. Okay. With excited, I did a little cheat there. I'll talk about that in a minute. Young zebras. Queen Rhonda sang tunes under verandas with excited young zebras. Now I did do a little cheat on my X for excited because not very many words start with X. And so if you want to take an EX word and just write it as X, that's okay. It's okay. That's the great thing about poetry. There's hardly ever any hard and fast rules that you have to follow. So we can make things up. So this is just silliness, but we do try to have it make sense in a way so that you see a little picture when you get done. So there they are. And Queen Rhonda on the next page. So my challenge to you today is to come up with a sequential poem or a group of poems like I did that use all the letters of the alphabet. I think it might be hard to write one that goes from A to Z, but that would be a great challenge to make a little story that goes from A to Z, just like that. And I would love to see these, so please send them when you finish them. Have fun with this. Okay, have a good day. Talk to you tomorrow.